Hello, I'm back. It's been a while since I've been planning, and today I will be planning in my new Erin Condren. I know I just did this one. It was very simple. I wanted a planner that didn't have any color other than, of course, the cover. I just wanted something very neutral, and I purchased this late, so I really didn't do anything. As you can see, I just put in some washi, but I'd like to go ahead and do the dashboard for April. And my thinking was to use the Stronger Together, especially since everything that's going on in this world. So let's go ahead and get started. I have no idea what I want to do. However, we'll figure it out together. So for April, let me see what the book has in it. I haven't, like I said, I haven't done much of anything. Back in November, I had that dreadful thing that everybody's been dealing with, and it was really bad. So it was very dangerous. But anyway, I'm back and I'm healthy, and I'm just very grateful. So let's see. I want something big in here that makes a statement. Oh, here. I wonder if this fits. This is so great. It says, be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. And that seems to be a perfect thing to remember. Let's see, how can I center this? Let me use the F to center it. There we go. I think that will be good. And I did bring out some of this washi. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. Let me see the colors. All of these colors are in this sticker. Let's see what we can do. Would be nice to outline this or this. Okay, so in here usually is like important dates, things that you want to remember for that month. So let me see what we can do. I want to see if this sticker fits in one of these boxes. Yeah, maybe I'll do it this. I think this sticker maybe fits in better. These stickers don't fit real well, but it's okay. Let's see what we can do here. How about this sticker with a young lady? Oh, this says you can do it. No. Okay, let's see. So let's go ahead and just outline this. And maybe what I'll do is use one of these rainbows. All right. Let's go ahead and put that on. This washi is so cute. I have to look through some of my other stickers and see if I can find one that just says birthdays. Or maybe important dates. I think I might have a sticker that says important dates. Okay, that looks really cute. All right, so I'll have to look for a sticker that says important dates. And then down here, what do we want to do down here? I wonder if I could set maybe a goal for, we could use this sticker that I pulled before, because it says you can do it. So maybe this is a good one for goal setting. And I do believe they have stickers in here that do say goals. Errands, appointments, squad goals. I guess the squad goals. Okay. That really doesn't fit. Okay, never mind on that. Maybe the top priority sticker will fit. Okay, let's see the priority. I saw a sticker also that resonated with me. Let me see if I can find it. Here's top priority. Let's see if we can squeeze that in there. And then, I'm so sorry. There's one sticker that said everything's going to be all right. And right now, I could use that reminder. Let's see where it is. Oh, here it is. I'm looking right at it. It will be all right. So let's go ahead. This is going to be top priority. And then down here, I'd like to put this that says, it will be all right. Maybe I can put something over here. Or maybe that, the peace sign that the girls were doing. Here we go. Let me see if we have smaller ones. We do, but they say peace out. But what I can do is I can cut off the peace out. And then right here. Or do I want to put it right there? I think maybe right there. It will be all right. Okay. And then this gives me a place to put some goals. Maybe I want to scribble or doodle right here. And then we need the important dates. And hold on just one second. Let me see if I can go find that. So I couldn't find important dates, but excuse me, I did find from Sarah Marie, Don't Forget stickers. And then from Sammy Doodle Designs, these cute little paper clips. So what I'll do is put a don't forget, and then maybe I'll do the yellow. I was going to do the white one, but let's do, or maybe the, let me see. Yeah, let's just do the yellow one. Okay, and then we can just put that right here. And we'll say don't forget. Make sure that's straight. Oops. Okay. And I think that's it. I will fill this out later with my mom and my dad's birthdays, and then anything else that's happening this month. And then these will be some of the goals that I'll set for myself for April. One is to continue cleaning out closets and drawers and stuff, and purging. I'm trying desperately to get myself to a point where I have minimal stuff in the house. So we'll see how that works out. And then this is just maybe doodling some ideas. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm really glad to be back. I hope to be posting every single week. But on top of being sick, I also have been having problems trying to upload. My computer has been really full, and I've been working on cleaning that out. So if I miss a week, I apologize, but I am trying to get my technology in order as well. So thank you so much, and have a great April.